What's up guys, and welcome to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how I built a track for one of my clients on Fiverr from scratch. Alright, he came to me with a project, an idea, and he told me what he wanted, gave me a reference track, and then I had to rebuild the track from scratch. And in the end it came out pretty good. So I'm going to show you the entire process of what I did when I'm producing for other people. Alright, but before we continue, I need you guys to like and subscribe to the channel, alright, for more videos. Alright, and if you need any help with your projects, hit me up on Fiverr. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Alright, peace out. Alright, so let's listen to what the final product sounds like. Very simple song, very sharp song. Have a nice little bounce to it. So that's it. That's the full song. So let's break down the song into sections. So let's start with the drums. Alright, this is basically what the drums sound like. Let's listen to the chorus. So the client wanted the song with an African influence, so I came up with this let's loop this again. So I came up with this snare pattern, and what I did, I layered the snare with a, let's take a look at it. I layered the snare with a see, this is a side stick. So I have three triggers, right? A side stick, a snare, and then like an 808 snare. Alright, so that's the snare. And then I just have a regular kick here. So let's say kick and snare. And I just have the toms. Now if you notice below, I have some delays on the track. So I deliberately wanted the snare a little laid back on the beat and the kick as well. So this, I was actually experimenting with this. Usually I don't have a track delay on the kick, but I wanted to have a kind of laid back kind of vibe on the kick to see, you know, what I could come up with, and it came out pretty good. I mean, I'm not going to do it all the time, but because you always want your kick under one, but in this case it actually works. So let's listen to how the percussions complements the groove. Alright, so this is the first part of the first pattern for the percussion that I put down. I got these from my Carnival Rosé sample pack, to be honest with you, some of these percussions, because I couldn't be asked to just go and put new percussions when I already have a sample pack with those percussions. Alright, so some of these were in Carnival Rosé, and some of these I put them in, you know. Alright, see, okay. Now if you notice what I'm doing, I have certain percussions coming in and then coming out. Like this one for example. Alright, so this would be my hi-hats. Alright, so I didn't have like actual hi-hat sounds, I just wanted to have something more percussive than actual hi-hat sound standing out. And I think it sounded pretty good. Yeah. Simple as that. Sounds pretty good if you ask me. So let's break down the music. I didn't do much in this track. I only have like 4 music tracks. So let's listen to the main loop. So this is a guitar. It's from Contact. It's called Electric Sunburst. That's a pretty good guitar. It's my go-to guitar sounds actually for electric guitar. And this is also a muted guitar from Contact as well, from the same Sunburst actually. This is actually my secret weapon in Soca. So this is a Contact plugin. I think it's called 70s Funk or something like that. I'll get the actual name and put it up on the screen for you guys to see that VST. And that's how I actually manipulated it to sound as if it's Soca, and I just put some delay on the track so it kind of has that bounce. If you notice, it's the same track delay as the kick. See? So the two of them, I knew I wanted that and the kick to be the same, so I just put the two together. And then I just have a simple piano, electric piano strum. That's it, and then the bass. Very simple track, very easy track. I could have done more, but to be honest, that's not what the client wanted. The client wanted a simple track, just about a minute long. And then all I did, just to add some variation in the breakdown, I just took out the strum, changed the pattern for the muted guitar, this as well, and that's it. And then it goes back to the regular. Alright, so basically it's the same thing I've always been telling you guys, less is more. When you're doing a track for someone, try not to put as much music before the person actually puts in their vocals. Alright, you're producing for other people and not yourself. Alright, so let's listen to the track one more time. That's the project. So easy, you could do. Alright, don't forget to check out my website www.freesquaremusic.com and check out my Carnival Rosé sample pack if you're looking for some inspiration. Alright, I got a new pack working on. As soon as I release it, you guys will be the first to know. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram for your daily tips and tricks for production. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Peace out.